I want to tell you what took me over 53 years and losing everything more than once to realize. And there's three things. I'm going to tell you them now and break it down for you. Number one, there is a 3-letter word that should be central to all your thoughts, actions, maybe even your decisions. And that word is now. Living in the past is depression. Living in the future is anxiety. And living in the now is joy. That's what they mean when they say follow your bliss. It's actually the things that bring you into the flow, into the moment where you're not worrying about this or that. You're now. You just need to practice pulling yourself into the moment, even if it's in small doses and little tastes of that bliss. You can do it. It can help alleviate pain. It absolutely alleviates anxiety, absolutely alleviates depression, grief, sadness. Come into the now. I know it's not always easy. If it was easy, we'd all be doing it all the time. Children can do it. They learn how to do it. They get over stuff quickly and they just move on and get back into the present. It can increase creativity. It can increase concentration, functionality of, your mind, imagination, memory. Find that way to come into the now. A good way to do that takes me into point 2. Gratitude is good, but appreciation is better. Appreciation brings us more into the moment. Gratitude can come more from a place of lack, that now you're grateful to have the thing because you lacked it before. Where appreciation brings us in the moment to savor what is now. It brings us those small things incrementally. I don't know if it's the right word, almost very intensely into the moment where we can appreciate the taste, smell of something, what our senses are experiencing, just pulling ourselves into the moment of that abundant feeling of all that's available to us at any given moment to appreciate music, love, touching another, looking in the eyes of another. Just appreciate. And you'll find that with every fiber of our being, we, in that moment, feel good. So if we can expand that little moment of holding on to that appreciation and grow it into ultimately a way of life, your life will change. You will see things completely differently. Okay, point number 3. We're talking about something that is the most valuable, immeasurable. It's of immeasurable importance to each of us, and we all are dished out the same measure of units of this, and it's time. We've got our seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years, as some of the richest people in the world do, always will have and always will be, where our perception of time on this plane here on Earth is a key currency. And we can, argue about all the other currencies and what things are really worth. But it's our time that is irreplaceable. You don't get any of it back. Any of it spent, there's no refunds, there's no returns, there's no exchanges. You don't get it back again. When you give time, think about who you're giving it to and who you're taking it from as well. If you feel like you are spending your main currency being time well, you will feel better. They do they're intrinsically linked. So spend your time well. Don't waste it on things you don't really want. Don't spend it on junk food. Spend it on things that make you happy and feel good and alive and joyful, and give you this feeling of love and appreciation back to that of your very existence and what the possibilities are and the potential, like, how do I want to spend my time today, in the next hour, next minute? What's going to bring me closer to me being able to be in the now and feel this appreciation? So I won't hit you over the head with all these examples, but what you need to know is that if you can find a way to live in the now, you're going to miraculously have more time. The perception of time expands exponentially. So if you're living a life in the present, in the now, you will feel this sense of having more time because you're appreciating more and taking more in. They all interconnect. That's being in the now, appreciation, and time. So bring it all together. Start practicing that as a magical unit to trade in from now on. And don't waste your time. What are you waiting for? Just spend it well and make sure you are pleasing yourself, because no one's giving you a medal at the end for not doing that, okay? No one's going, yay, so-and-so gave us all this time that we wasted, and they never gave themselves an opportunity to live in the now because, whatever. The only one that's really going to feel it at the end is you. And then you're on to the next life. And did you learn something or not so that you can elevate? I'm not sure. Yeah. That's what I want you to have today. And by the way, I really enjoyed making this video. I feel alive doing this. So I'm in the moment. I'm appreciating you watching this now. And I've felt great joy giving you my time. And if you like it too, please like and subscribe, as I'm starting a whole new life and doing things my way. See you guys. Thanks for listening. I'm Bel Bare, and this is Sacred Mechanics.